Bakit mahalaga kumuha ng life insurance? Because we want to keep our dreams safe. Dreams for ourselves and also for our family. Our usual dreams, of course, is to send our kids to the best schools. Gusto rin natin magkaroon ng comfortable living and comfortable retirement. However, hindi natin maiiwasan ang mga tinatawag natin na dream distractions, katulad ng disability, sickness, and premature death. Makikita natin dito sa illustration sa aking right na for example, kung breadwinner ka, mas kailangan mo magkaroon ng life insurance. Kasi dito, ikaw ang man at work. Bit-bit mo yung family mo. Ikaw nagbabayad ng bills, ikaw nagpapadala ng kids mo to the best school. So, yan yung nangyayari. Habang capable ka to work, habang healthy ka, habang may income ka, your family will experience a comfortable lifestyle. Kaya nandyan sa comfort. And then eventually, you'll reach luxury. However, in case something happened to you because of premature death due to accident or illness, gugulong yung pamilya mo from comfort pabagsak ng poverty. Mauubos lahat ng mga bank savings natin, lalo na kung wala tayong mga naiwan na insurance and other properties and assets for them. Possible kung yung ating asawa ay hindi nagwo-work, ma-force siya to look for other opportunity or maghanap ng trabaho para makapagbigay ng support sa family, tapos makapagpadala pa rin ng kids to school, or kung hindi kaya, mangyayari, mapo-force din yung kids to stop schooling. Kaya nga, while you're strong and healthy, I highly recommend na dagdagan mo pa yung insurance mo kung meron ka na sa company or meron ka pang personal. Kasi, pandagdag yan sa kalso. So, parang wedge yan para hindi gumulong yung family natin sa kahirapan. Dagdag na lang doon yung mga SSS mo, GSIS, company benefits, and other assets that you may have. Kasi alam mo ba, pag maliit lang yung wedge or kalso na nailagay mo dito, mauubos rin agad yung money na yon at dalating din yung time na gugulong sila from comfort pababa ng poverty. Di ba ayaw naman natin mangyari yon? Kaya nga ngayon, while we're strong and capable, let's start building your wedge. Ang general rule of thumb natin is yung life insurance daw natin should be 10 times of our annual income. So kung 1 million ang income mo, 10 million dapat. So kung 600,000 ang income natin in a year, 6 million dapat. So hindi kailangan isang kuhanan. So little by little, mag-start ka lang kumuha ng plan. Tapos after 2 to 3 years, pag kaya mo na, lumaki na yung income mo, dahil may dalawa ka ng income, sources of income, mangyayari magdagdag ka ulit ng plans. So, by that time, maunti-unti lumalapit tayo sa desired mo na goal. As we go through life, papunta dun sa life goals natin, makikita natin na meron tayong gap when it comes to uncertainties in life like disability, illness, old age, and syempre death. Kaya nga mahalaga yung life insurance kasi dito makikita natin malalagyan ng protection. Mabibridge yung gap kung nasan ka ngayon papunta sa life goals mo. So protection in terms of life insurance, accident insurance, health plan, and retirement. Ang marerecommend ko na plan is pwedeng additional insurance mo to or pwedeng first policy is AIA Max Protect. Tingnan mo to, age 30, female, payable up to age 65, 14,000 lang yung huhulugan or 4K a quarter. In case something happened to you, kahit isang hulog pa lang, 4,000 pa lang, covered ka na agad ng AIA ng 1 million life insurance until age 100. Maliban pa doon, may coverage ka rin na TPD or Total and Permanent Disability na 500,000. So ano ba yon? So yung TPD, meaning kunyari man na-accident tayo at 6 months tayong na bedridden at hindi natin magawa yung 3 out of 6 activities ng daily living, pwede nating i-file kay AIA itong 500,000. So ano ba yung basic activities ng human being? So eating, taking a bath, dressing up, toileting, transfer from one place to another, and yung mobility. Pwedeng nakahiga ka, kailangan mo pa ng tulong para umupo. So pag 3 out of 6, hindi na natin yun magawa ng tuloy-tuloy for the next 6 months, pwede tayo ma-declare ni doktor na TPD. Tapos magkiklaim tayo niyan. Maliban pa doon, dahil hindi naman tayo exempted sa lahat ng mga accident sa paligid, So pag lumabas ka nga lang ng gate, pwede ka nang ma-accident. So we never know. So mangyayari dyan, meron na tayo agad na coverage na 500,000 until age 75. In case ma-accident yung member or ma-dismemberment, so meron tayong percentage na ifa-file for our accident claim. Para sa commuters or sumasakay ng Grab, angkas, sasakay sa commercial plane, and then etc. So if ever na accident ng dahil sa public transpo, times 2 ang makukuha. So instead na 500,000, magiging 1 million in case of accidental death. And if ever rin na accident ng dahil sa natural disaster, katulad nung last time because of typhoon, so kasama rin ito, magiging times 2 rin yung ating ma-file for accident insurance coverage. Maliban sa tatlong nabanggit ko, kung kumita yung company, magpe-payout po tayo ng dividendo. Sa lahat ng mga kumuha ng AIA Max Protect Plans, makaka-receive rin tayo nito. Pwede mong withdrawin or pwedeng i-accumulate mo para mas lumaki pa. Maliban pa doon, dahil humahaba ang buhay ng mga tao because of the advancement of technology, kung ma-reach natin ang age 100, yung life insurance coverage natin, yun yung matatanggap natin as maturity benefit. So that's it. So I hope na share ko sa inyo kung bakit importanteng magkaroon ng life insurance. Kung wala ka pong insurance, meron kang preferred advisor, pwede mo siyang kontakin, or kung wala, you may PM me.